What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how you can track things in Adobe Premiere Pro. This works if you want to track letters over someone's head or really anything. In this case, we're going to be tracking this little sombrero over here on top of the lead car in this NASCAR race. So we're going to want to have the sombrero follow the car around the turn. So as you can see, this is what happens now. Nothing really. So you're going to go back and then go to the very first frame and place whatever you want to track where you want it to be. So in this case, we want it on top of the car. It's wearing a sombrero. Then you're going to want to go over to the effects control panel over here and make sure that your item is selected. And you're going to want to hit this little clock by position. And that's going to allow you to track. So every time you move it, like if you go down a few frames, that's where it's going to be. So I'm going to move it down a little bit until I notice that it kind of comes off course by pressing the arrow keys. And you want to double click it and move it again to where you want it to. Then you can move it a few more frames, and it's kind of coming off course again. So move it back. So basically what you want to do is just keep going forward a few frames and then moving it to the next position and moving it to the next position. And you're going to move it until you've done. So I'm going to fast forward it right here, and I'll see you when I'm done. So if you rewind back and then you play the video, you should have a perfectly tracked video like this. Where the sombrero nicely tracks the first car. So it looks amazing. Thank you guys for watching this masterpiece that I've made. But make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'm going to be posting a ton of tutorials on Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and other Adobe products. But anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.